Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Axiom Pro. To begin, open Axiom Pro and navigate to the Axiom Sol Discover page. This is the main starting point for exploring the platform, and it gives you access to several key sections that help you monitor activity, review market tools, and manage your account experience. Once the page loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so the next selections feel more intuitive. From there, click on Discover. This section is designed to help you browse what is available on the platform and get a broad overview of the tools and insights Axiom Pro offers. If you are new to the interface, Discover is a useful place to begin because it acts as a central hub for finding the platform's core features. Next, click on Pulse. Pulse is typically where you can view fast-moving updates and activity across supported markets. Moving into this section helps you shift from the general overview in Discover to a more dynamic view of what is happening in real time. As you follow along, make sure each page fully loads before moving on, especially if your internet connection is a little slower. After that, click on Trackers. This area is useful for following specific assets movements or categories in a more organized way. The transition from Pulse to Trackers helps narrow your focus, making it easier to monitor the information most relevant to you. Once you are in Trackers, click on Perpetuals. This section is where Axiom Pro highlights perpetual trading-related information. Even if you are only exploring the interface for now, it is helpful to know where this section lives so you can return to it quickly later. Next, click on Predictions. This takes you into another part of the platform focused on forecast-style insights and analytical views. As you move through the menu, notice how each section builds on the previous one, showing different ways Axiom Pro organizes trading and market data. Then click on Portfolio. This is the area where you would typically review your holdings or account-related asset information. It is an important section to be familiar with, since many users return here regularly to check performance and overall status. Finally, click on Rewards. This section is where you can view reward-related information connected to your account or platform activity. It is a good final stop in this walkthrough because it rounds out the main navigation path and helps you understand where to find account benefits within Axiom Pro. That's it. You have now moved through the key sections of Axiom Pro, including Discover, Pulse, Trackers, Perpetuals, Predictions, Portfolio, and Rewards.